Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. That's in Long Beach, I believe. Well, it's not Okinawa. Nice sky, huh? Southern California, nice blue sky. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. Pretty nice pencil drawing type image. Well, these are my subject today and I want to make something interesting, nice feeling illustration type image from this snapshot. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to check this pencil drawing type of image, change blend mode to, let's see, color bar, linear bar. These are pretty nice. And what else? Overlay. This makes pretty nice illustration. Pretty nice. This luminosity effect. Luminosity has already pastel colors, huh? Pretty nice. Well, let's fix this image and as a base image, then add some more colors. Okay. Select multiple. And I want to duplicate these layers. Then merge selected. Now we got this image fixed. One layer. Now a little bit more darker. So duplicate layer. Then change this blend mode to multiply. This is interesting. Then I add more colors. Alright. I'm gonna merge down. Now we got this image. Okay, I'm gonna move this empty layer. Go on top. Then I'm going to add some color on this layer. Now give it more nicer color, maybe these shirts. Oh, I have this pencil drawing type image. Still blend mode is not luminosity, so I'm going to bring this one back to normal. Then move up. This is pencil drawing type image. Go all the way top. Then turn it off to keep it. And also I'm going to change names. Rename. Alright, I changed name already and let's see. Yeah, I want some, let me see if I can add color on this nice color shirt with basic to soft round. Yeah, let's see this first. Maybe some pink. Okay, this is normal. Let me see if I change this blend mode to color, how it's going to turn out. Yeah, it won't show much, huh? Okay, in this case, again, normal. Right. Then I guess soft round opacity. Eraser tool. Soft round opacity, huh? Yeah. Now, well, I want to add another layer for sky blue, with maybe watercolor. That's interesting, I think. Watercolor brush, watercolor wash flat. Okay, now some kind of illustration. Let me see, let me move this pencil original image. Then I'm gonna create empty mask, invert mask, then reveal. Alright, mixer brushes, okay, Monet mixer. Well, this is another way to finish up some illustration type image. That's kind of fun. Kind of soft, gentle, feel like kind of calm, maybe. Yeah, I guess that's pretty interesting image. Kind of mixing up all the watercolor image, pastel colors, and pastel brushes. That's interesting, isn't it? Well, yeah, I guess this is it for today. This is kind of warm illustration, kind of mixing pastel textures here, watercolor textures here. That's kind of interesting, huh? Well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. This is some kind of fun, sometimes, making creative image, I think. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And, well, that's different thing again. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.